Sembut Menteri Rang Ba ke Jylla ubak Presiden Tensong ula Kular ba ke Sorkar Jylla kan syemi ki sinjam ki beting ban pynduh jait ya ke kamti dewiong beain ha ke Jylla Meghalaya. Ngila dek ban betha ki bor distrik bakin Syllad ya kilat kelenti ban penti kena babaro ki to ki kam beain ki de ban sange no sundan. Ong ubak Presiden ha bakran shikilat pathai ku bor ha ka khandai terik rempang. Kino-kino ki jingja ki baladap jana ke liang ke Sorkar kala syem ya ki sinjam kat kum kaan. Ngatharai pilayo iya ke ke balaja, ngila persyang ya ke bahatam, henry mentabiang ke ni ke jingja ke badang syuja shen, pitip bahaya ki jaka bakendong. Ngatharai na ke surok ba ke syimpor haduk lai haduk sau kenta ban poi wadaki kali sau syaka, kumta pitip ya ke jinglong ke jaka. Ki jing ki bawat ki pulit ki ya kendu ban lej syakini ki jaka. Kumta kumbanga ong syapi kamtam ha kini ke ayom, ngilale da ke beting hadin balaja kini ke jingja ula kula. Ubak Presiden ula ong ba ke Sorkar kan sa file ya ke affidavit hapo ke ying ke Syari High Court. Hapo ke Shipho Sengi, Henry ula kentaj ban kento syuk-syuk namar kini ke kam kadang don hapo ke ying ke Syari. Ai ba ke ying ke Syari High Court kan syemi kino-kino ki sinjam ki badon kam na ke liang ke jongki ula benrap. Hakabai debat ke jingja jong ke jing betai badang syan hapo ke parti dewiong beain ha mensengat ha ke tangsko East Jylla Hills ke balasyim ya ke jing jong ki brio. Usembut Menteri Rang Ba ula ong ba ki lasyim kia halor ke ni ke jingja ba lakiam bro ya arngut ki brio.
And ultimately we will hand over everything to them, and once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out the investigation or whatever accordingly. See, right now we have already got all out to make sure that those illegal mining activities that what has happened or which is happening till today, we have spent all out of our time to close it down all. We have already directed the district administration to go all out and make sure that all those illegal activities be immediately stopped. That is number one. Then number two, again, yes, today, within 10 days time, again, we will file our affidavit to the Honorable High Court, and I think right now I will not tell you much because this issue is also lying with the Honorable High Court, so let the Honorable High Court also take whatever necessary steps from their side. Whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen it in the report. We have tried our best. But now, again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you, right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that, especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal activities stop. And the question of time frame does not arise because any illegalities happens maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are going all out to close it.
And the manpower shortage is there, right?
Right now, I think right now we are. It's still manageable for the manpower, and very soon you know well that we are also going to fill up those vacancies that we have, about 3,000 posts in police department. So I'm very sure once this issue is done, we will at least manageable to handle it.
There has been a demand for the resignation of Chief Minister. Your take on the matter?
This is a political issue. So anything you can demand. Sometimes you can demand that President also should resign. So that is there. But let me tell you one thing, we take the whole responsibility to make sure that these illegalities stop immediately. The operation is still on, and right now no recovery of death or something. But still, of course, we have asked the concerned person to still see if there is any more trap or any more dead bodies, so that they are on the ground. We are yet to, right now we have already arrested 2, and now we are natrai ingin dia begin batailot kita baru kamlo naman ta ki police jogi kilong on the job ban find out nabar lengba jong kini ki bala sakem ru inang ya find out kuno dot kanu ki ek bin bol nang tamano manusu ya kata ngan melaban batai ya menta de ailat ini nakaliat police department ba kin find out ya ki jiksi sha bol ko kat no ki don ki to ki minors like ki no ki ba involved like in the illegal mining.